Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to set up checkout process inside WooCommerce. So first of all, log into your WordPress account, and once you're logged in, so just scroll down and you will see you just need to go inside the section of the pages. So once you go inside the pages, you just need to find the page of your checkout. Let's say, like, make sure that as you can see, like, the names of the pages are written, so make sure to add or find your checkout page. Let's say this is my checkout page, so just click on this edit button, and once you click on edit, so it will take you to your checkout page. So wait for it until it loads. As you can see, like, this is basically my checkout page. So this section is basically added. So make sure to click on these three lines and delete the data that is already available. And after that, just click on this plus button from left side, and inside the blocks, just write down or search here checkout. And once you write on checkout, so you will see this option called which is the second option, checkout. So just click on this one, and now as you can see, a proper checkout section has been added. Basically this adds all the information. Let me just close it, and now as you can see, contact information, shipping address, like apartment, city, shipping address, everything, payment method, all those details are added, place order, and the total amount as well. Each and everything has been added, and now it is part of your website, or you can say this is basically the checkout page, which will look like this. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can set it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.